Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change back buttons in Vivo Y19. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and you want to change your back buttons, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for system management. Just tap on system management and here select system navigation. And here you can easily change your back buttons. If you want to change the shape of back buttons, you just select one of these two options. But if you want to change the order of back buttons, so you can easily change. Just select the order which you want. If you want to enable gesture navigation, you just have to tap on this to enable the gesture navigation in your phone. So that's how you can easily change back buttons in Vivo Y19. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.